Statement 25. Fill yourself before you fill others. Lisa Nichols says, serve from your saucer. Serve from your overflow. Never serve others directly from your cup, because that's how you become empty. It's necessary to remind yourself that you can't be there for the people you love. You can't perform at your highest level. You can't push as far as you desire to push if you aren't there. Stop stretching yourself so thin that you disappear. Stop always being there for others. If you have no time to be there for you, you are a necessary part of your life. You need you. Replenish your energy after you give it. Re-wax your candle before you burn out. Find someone who is willing to refill you and let you rest without expecting anything in return. Once you're gone, there's nothing you can do for anyone. You must love yourself wholly and completely before you can give love to anyone else. Giving the last 30%, 15%, 5% of yourself is a disservice to the world. Spend time servicing yourself after you've given service to others. That's the only way you can genuinely be great.